In this video, I am going to talk about what are the basics of digital marketing that you might require in 2020 and even in this pandemic time. So stay tuned to the last. I am going to discuss some of the basic skills that you might require to successfully market your product on the digital platforms. Hello friends, my name is Somesh and I am a digital marketer. I keep on regularly posting the videos related to the digital marketing and how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and hit as well as the bell icon, so whenever I will post a new video, then you will get notified. So let's jump to the topic. Basics of digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? We can understand with this single line definition. Marketing of a product on digital platforms using internet is known as digital marketing. This is the simple and short meaning of digital marketing. The businessman might have heard this name a lot of time from many persons because this term is quite popular nowadays. As there are more people available on the online platform, so it has become now the marketplace for each and every businessman to market their product in these platforms. You can get a vast number of your audience on these platforms. It also ease your work to reach your target audience. That's why it is a quite popular term in nowadays among the business persons or entrepreneurs. As there is lockdown going on in India, this is the most useful term for the businessman in nowadays. Okay, so why you need digital marketing? Number one, competition. More than 70% of small businesses have been shifted to the online platforms. So there can be a competitor on these one of these platforms. So to target the audience of your competitor, you must also be present on these platforms. Number two, brand awareness. If you consistently post your content on these online platforms, then your target audience will be aware of your brand. This will help you in establishing the presence of your brand. Number 3, finding audience. Most of the people hang around on the internet on the regular basis. So there is an opportunity for the businessman to target audience from these people. You can target your audience through SEO, social media marketing and advertisements, etc. Number 4, track your results. You can track your results through some analytical tools through these platforms. Just imagine if these things are possible in traditional marketing. Isn't it amazing? You can just track your results within a few clicks or within a seconds. Number 5, you can target different types of people. Lots of data is available on the online platforms related to the people. So one can find their target audience on the basis of age, gender, language, or you can say the location as well. Number 6, generate sales for your business. If you make a good marketing strategy for your business, then you can run a successful ad campaign that will generate a lots of sale for your business. So let's jump to the topic. Here are some skills in the digital marketing which you must be aware of to successfully run a marketing campaign, or you can say to make a marketing strategy. Number 1, SEO, or you can say search engine optimization. The process of ranking a web page on a Google search engine results page without spending a money, or you can say organically, is known as SEO or search engine optimization. Number 2, website design. The design of the website is also an important part. The design of the website must relate it to the business. The load time of the website must be less, around 3 to 4 seconds. The description must be proper and it is related to your business or website content to generate the traffic on your web page. Number 3, social media marketing. Marketing process done on social media platforms is known as social media marketing. You can also run a paid advertisement on these social media platforms. Uh, we will talk about them later on videos in detail. Number 4, affiliate marketing. A marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays a commission to an external website for traffic or sale generated from its referrals. Let's understand this term through an example. If person A does the marketing of a product of person B, if the person A is successful in selling the product of person B, then the amount or you can say the referral that earned by the person A from person B, then this whole process is termed as affiliate marketing. Number 5, PPC, or you can say pay per click. When the traffic on the website is driven through the advertisement, this is known as pay per click. Now here advertiser pays a certain amount of money to the publisher when the ad is clicked. Number 6, email marketing. Sending a commercial message to a group of people through emails is known as email marketing. Number 7, content marketing. The form of marketing based on creating, distributing, and publishing the content for your target audience online. So, these are the basics of digital marketing. You need to be aware of these to make a successful marketing strategy for your business that generates sales for you. I hope you liked the video. If you have questions related to these topics, just comment below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get notification whenever my new video gets uploaded. So we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay home.